Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to condition your hair for softer and shinier hair. There are three things you need, which are mayonnaise, coconut oil, and olive oil. So let's get started. What's up fam, it's your girl Mattie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, just know I love you so much. You might be wondering why you need mayonnaise for your hair. Actually, mayonnaise contains healthy ingredients that are beneficial to your hair because they contain their ingredients that has fatty acids, which are vinegar, lemon juice, and soybean oil. We all know how beneficial coconut oil is to the skin. It's equally beneficial to the hair as it adds more shine to your hair and other things. Olive oil here, on the other hand, helps with scalp irritation and aids hair growth. So let's get started. First, you'll be needing mayonnaise, and you can get any mayonnaise of your choice. So you just to your desired amount. I don't know, there are no measurements. Just pour as much as you can, but make sure it's enough for your hair. This is one I'm using. I hope it gets through my hair, or it's enough for my hair. This is my cold pressed coconut. I made it myself. So if you want to see how I made it, leave me a comment in the comment section so I can make a video on that. Ouch, my hand is drying. Just put a desired amount. I think I'll be needing this much. Add a little. And next on our list is olive oil. I've had this olive oil for a long time. I don't know. So it's just lying around there. That's why it's this small. So I think I'll put all of it. So you mix all of them together to have a fine consistency. So this is the outcome of the paste. As you can see, it's properly mixed, and make sure you apply this paste on a clean hair. I washed mine yesterday, that's why I'm not showing you how I washed the hair today. My hair is already sectioned in two, making it easier for me to apply. And so you finger comb for easy penetration. You can use combo, so that my comb is not close by. You apply this from the roots, starting from the roots. My hair feels soft after applying this. You can see it's falling down. Is it falling or sticking? It feels softer, that's just it, that's it. So, and you need to cover this for about 30 minutes or more if you have time. But I'm going to do this for 30 minutes and come back and give you guys the time. Okay, I'll cover this with nylon plastic bag. Keep it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. If you have steaming cap, you can as well wear that. Right? So I'll keep this for 15 minutes, 30 minutes rather. I'll keep this for 30 minutes and come back and show you the end results. This is me after 30 minutes and I have to run this. It smells really bad, I swear. I'm looking for coils though. Just looking for coils. They say it makes the hair coils. Coil. Then again. So guys, I'm going to rinse it off with this shampoo. And this is what I use for my hair. I'm going to wash it off with this. Just rinse it out because of the smell. It smells really bad. So I'll see you once I come back. Okay guys, this is me after I've washed off and my hair really do feel soft. And as you can see, it feels softer than it was. Actually, my hair is not soft naturally, but it feels soft. So I will just apply my coconut oil, or if you have leave-in conditioner, you can just apply it and put this in a protective style. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. Be sure to do this video, try at home, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll put it for you guys. And for effective use or effective results, please make sure to try this 3 or 4 times a month. So you can do it once a week. That's once a week, or 3 times a month. That's better. To see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.